I had a full left knee replacement done at the same day surgery center, and I was very wary of the same day. I couldn't imagine going in and going home. Once I found out all about the same day, it just sounded fabulous to me. It is a seamless coordination between the doctor's office and the same day surgery center. The same day surgery gives preparation by having a joint camp. It is a meeting of several people who are facing surgery. They lay it all out, what's going to happen. They make recommendations on exercises to do before surgery. They told me that a physical therapist would be at my home the day of surgery. I mean, right there. And he was. Basically, I was in the operating room from 10:30 to 12:30, and I was home by 3:30 with the physical therapist waiting for me in the driveway. The doctor called me when I got home, and he called me the next day. Everyone was just very professional, and the coordination between doctor's office and here, fabulous. I was looking forward before surgery to getting back to being able to walk. And now I can walk without pain and without a walker, and I mean, that's just, it's life-changing for me.